The AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera is designed for easy installation, requiring no wiring or drilling, and can be set up in just 2 minutes with a simple screwdriver. It features a robust digital signal that utilizes advanced frequency hopping technology to ensure a strong and interference-free connection, providing reliable performance up to 52 feet. The 5-inch high-definition 1080p monitor presents vivid and clear images, making it easy to capture details even in low-light conditions. Perfect for safe reversing and parking. With a powerful 5,000 milliampere-hour battery, the camera can last up to 4 months on a single charge, aided by solar panel assistance to minimize frequent recharges. The dual-channel split-screen functionality allows users to monitor multiple angles, such as blind spots or trailer hitches, enhancing overall driving safety and visibility. Its IP69K waterproof rating ensures the camera remains operational in extreme weather conditions, from freezing to scorching temperatures, without fogging or blurring.